Itanya ria mubango uyu uria ni wa ihinda ria miaka 5 ni gutigirira ruhonge rwa uthuthuria wa mbegu cia miti KEFRI ni ureka uthuthuria wa mithemba ya miti iria ibatie kuhandwo kundu gutiganite kuringana na riera riakuo mbere ya uheani wa mbegu cia miti. Kuringana na murugamiriri munene ruhonge-ini ruru Ndagitari Jane Njuguna, mubango-ini uyu ni mareire mitaratara ya kuhitana na tutambi turia tutambagia mirimu ya miti na kugirie kure.
Turamateithia ni ati ni kumera mundu ahande muti uria wagiriire kwao kana gwake, tondu wahota kuona muti wa kuma Garissa ukiokue kana muti wa kuma gukotari gukotari kundu kwina mbura uthie naguo uhande kundu kweriwa kana gutari mai no guku kana urio ni kutawate termites.
Agitaririo ria muingi kugunika kumana na mubango uyu, Njuguna arataririo ria manyitanire na honge ingi cia thirikari gukinyaniria mubango uyu.
Nene ni emphasize quality seeds which government need to support it gukorwo twina seed centers and also go kwandika andu mago collect mbegu ku process and also to distribute high quality seeds.
Muikariri giti wa bodi ruhonge-ini ruru Samson Mwathethe augite ona thengia wa ukoro magumirwo ni thina wa unyihu wa kigina mari na mwihoko thirikari ni kumarugamirira kimbeca gukinyaniria mubango uyu.
Rome kwa maki access mbegu kwa na nursery managers. Na nursery managers when they access mbegu cia free, they able to develop seedlings and it is a bio enterprise.
Thini wa mubango uyu uthuthuria wa ucenjia wa rera ndugutigwo na thutha.
We are talking with the minister and the ministry to make sure that the plan that we've put today will be funded. We have promises that we will be supported, and we believe with that support we will be able to deliver for this country the seeds and seedlings for the 15 billion trees.
Maretio hindi ya kurugurio kwa mubango ikerekaine ria mugwanja kuria maugite ni mehotorete guteithiriria thirikari gukinyaniria kioneki kio gia kuhanda miti bilioni 15.
Ni guteithika na kuruto maundu ta beekeeping and also prosopis management, efficient wodeka makara kuma utereta mathenge, that is our specialty, using efficient technologies and many other technologies. Tunawafundisha maana ya kuelewa mti ni mgonjwa na vile unaweza tumia hiyo mti ama vile unaweza treat hiyo mti you have a healthy ecosystem.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, jitagwo Wairima wa Muthui.